Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a zone cleaning of the bathroom. It's going to be a quick tidy up. What I was doing this morning is I actually was about to go get in the pool with the kids, but before I did that, I wanted to go ahead and get the bathroom tidied up so once they came inside, they would have a fresh, clean place to come into. And also, I wanted to clear my head. I had a lot going on mentally and was a little drained and just wanted to go ahead and clear my mind, so I thought I'd go ahead and take care of this to get me into the right headspace so I can deal with them and not be worried about things that I had going on. And if you're new, my name is Natasha. I want to say welcome. Here I do a lot of cleaning, organization, lifestyle, motherhood, things like that. You'll find that here I am a mommy of 4. So those are things that you'll find here. So if it's something that you think you're interested in, definitely subscribe. I love to have you guys here. And for all my oldies, I love you guys. We are growing. We're a small little community, but we're getting there. And I really appreciate you guys sticking in there with me and hanging in there. And I just want to say thank you again. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm not going to be doing too much talking. I'll let you guys go ahead and enjoy the music. And yes, I do have on my headscarf. I'm looking a little crazy. You know, we've all been locked up in the house, so I'm really not worried about my appearance. You guys know how it is. We don't always get dressed up and put on makeup and things like that to clean. This is real life, and that's what you'll find here with me. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better.
I am potty training my son, so here you see me going ahead cleaning out his potty. It is a hard, long road for me. To me, it's kind of hard potty training a boy because they definitely have to feel when it's coming, but he's getting a lot better. Are any of you guys potty training, and how's that going? Here I'm using a little DIY of lemon and some warm water because I realized we didn't have any more glass cleaner. So I went ahead and used that, and it actually did a good job, you know, cleaning the glass.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces falling, but I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
If you guys enjoyed this quick bathroom tidy up, remember if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys here, and I'll see you guys next time.
Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost too high,